What's up, everybody? This is DeTullio. I'm right here in Nocatee at Settlers Landing. I'm sitting in front of I'm actually standing in front of the Keystone Model David Weekley home in Settlers Landing, and I'm about to give you a tour. And that was Kurt, my videographer, who's training me how to use this gimbal and be a YouTube star. As we enter here, this is the Keystone Model by David Weekley. It is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-story home. So if you're a big fan of single-story homes like me, this is the home for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and the alerts bell for future videos. As you enter the home, you have your 2 bedrooms to the right. First front bedroom has 2 large windows, gives you lots of light, and then a double closet. In between the second bedroom is your bath. Bold, but beautiful. And then your second bedroom with 1 window and a double closet. As we enter back into the hallway, you have a nice spacious foyer at the entry of the home. To your left is the garage door, which is a 2-car garage. You have yourself a mudroom and the laundry room. To the right, you have a den study or formal dining room, whatever you choose to do with this flex space. And a coat closet. Continuing on to the left is where your AC is. And your guest bedroom. The guest bedroom has a walk-in closet with plenty of room. And their own bathroom. Keystone has a nice big open floor plan. You have a nice big spacious big island. In this model home, they have the upgraded options of double cabinets and a double door pantry. While you're preparing dinner, you're still part of the family as they sit in the main living area watching a show. And then to your right is your dining room. Again, very light and bright with lots of windows. Nice big sliders. To enjoy that lake preserve view. Head over into the master bedroom, which is tucked away at this corner of the house. Very private. And as you can see, very light, bright, and spacious. You have a door entry to your master bath. As you noticed in some of my other videos and other tours, you're seeing a lot of these gray doors now, but this is the first one I've done in a while where we see the octagon tiles, which are starting to become popular again. You have your WC off to the right, its own door. Nice big shower, again, bold designs with the octagon tiles. And again, more lighting. Double vanity. And what David Weekley is well known for, its spacious master closets. If you like these videos, please hit subscribe and alerts on our channels for future videos, and also check out an overview of Settlers Landing and other tours coming up. Thanks.